Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. Just a quick tech tip here, and what I'm going to be talking about is your bike blowing out extra smoke and extra black goo coming out of your pipe. Let me show you what it could be. So right here we have a crank seal. This is your right crank seal. So the right side crank seal here has all the oil in it for the clutch and everything. This crank seal right here, in this case, is 2005. I'm rebuilding, and you can see here how far the seal is in there. And look how far out is right there. This is not sealing. This is not going to be sealing the crankshaft good. It's going to be sucking oil through here, and you're going to have excessive amounts of oil burning. It has nothing to do with your jetting and nothing to do with the type of oil you're using. This is a problem. This is what causes a lot of smoke. Don't start jetting your bike until you know that your crank seals are good. If you have a problem with jetting all of a sudden, check your crank seals. Do a pressure test and make sure your bike is pressure testing good. That will help identify bad seals. Make sure you get these things in properly, set nice and even. Everything is sealing good. You'll have a great running two-stroke if you make sure your bike is sealed up. I have another video about pressure testing a two-stroke. It's super important. When this thing is done, we'll do it again. Make sure you do that, guys. Quick tech tip. Get your crank seals checked to make sure they're good to go if you're having any kinds of issues. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for other notifications. Until next time, this is Tepcocyclerepair.